Camera Electronic is a photography mecca for those who live on the west coast of Australia. They have 2 stores here in Perth and an online presence that reaches right across the country. I had a chat with the owners to find out more. So if Camera Electronic is more than just a camera store, what makes it different?
We just love photography, like it is our tagline, but we just do workshops and talks, and as much as selling cameras is important, we want to be able to be part of all the camera clubs, all the camera enthusiasts, and just share our knowledge.
Our staff as well, they're great. Our customers, our staff, our suppliers and supporters, we all just love photography and love the industry and just passionate about image making.
So the store has quite a long history. Where did it all start?
Dad started from home, buying and selling cameras and buying broken ones, fixing them and then selling them, trying to make a little bit of profit.
We still keep a full-time technician upstairs. Repairs and making sure your gear is in tip-top shape is still really important to us.
Amazing. It's so great to see the family business is still growing. What other services do you guys provide?
We do rentals, so for all sorts of stills and video gear and everything for image making, a lot of lighting. We started another business called Shoot Photography Workshops.
Around Rottnest Island, we took a speedboat with 20 customers around the island, just shooting, having fun, finding dolphins. So we like being part of photography, not just selling cameras. That's probably something really different.
So you're obviously avid and passionate photographers yourselves. How else do you engage in the photography community?
Oh, there's a lot.
In WA there's WAPF, West Australian Photographic Federation, that runs all the camera clubs.
Even if a camera club's got 8 people, if they're having a little talk or a workshop, we'll actually go out there and help them.
There's AIPP as well. We're involved sponsoring them on a national and a state level, so we go to most of their things around the country.
We've even got our own radio show just giving advice about photography every couple of weeks on 6PR. We even ran our own photography convention expo last weekend, which was huge. There's nothing like it in Australia.
We take people through the photographic journey, so maybe they start off with their smartphone or a point and shoot, and then when they want to get a bit more out of it, they'll come and do a course, learn something more, go into a mirrorless SLR or a high-level compact and go through the journey with them.
So I feel like the service you guys offer here is a very holistic experience and a lot of a community vibe, I would say. Tell us about that.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Because we take you through every part of the journey. If you've dropped your camera and that's your heart and soul and you've dropped it, we're going to take care of you. You can get it repaired. We'll get you another camera so you can keep shooting, because worst thing is that you're out there with no camera and you can't take photos.
And yeah, a lot of fun try before you buy events where you get to actually shoot and use the gear. We recently did a shoot at ice hockey training and had about 80 customers come along with us, and like to create different shooting experiences for people.
And we connect with our pro customers. So if you're a professional photographer, we'll run training workshops with the pros. So you hear from the guys that are out there earning their living from photography. We help them share their knowledge with us and our clients, and we do the same back and forth.
Beautiful. Well, thanks so much, boys. Stay tuned, because in the coming weeks, we'll be out on the road with the Frank brothers, road testing some gear and learning some handy tips.